Alright, so I started with this. It just was a screw right here, and well, you'll figure it out. It goes like this. And aim the screwdriver right in there, pop this out. And this was actually a little tricky. It actually is a little retainer right here, and you pop that out. Just be careful, you don't break these tabs here. Alright, so now I'm going to move on, and I've got to look around and see what's holding this door panel on. So let's do that. I'm going to start up here where the speaker is. Hey guys, another tool that you should have if you're ever doing any interior stuff. You can have all the other stuff, but you know, for popping interior stuff apart, don't use screwdrivers. It's just, you're going to break stuff. This right here. Man, this thing, I've had this for years. That's paid for itself, so I'm going to go ahead and pop this off. I'm sure it's just got some little metal clips that hold this in. And I think there's a tweeter in here, so see that? Just pops right off. But there's a little tweeter in there. I'm going to go ahead and just search around. I'm going to go ahead and pop this off. We might have screws behind here. And again, that's what this is great for. Just be really careful. There's that. There we go. I'm just gonna work my way back here, actually. There we go. Now, if I was pulling on this way it spreads it. That's great about this tool. Just another tab. Boom. Okay. Aha. All right, looks like we got some 10mm bolts in there. But that's that. Gotta take this off. More must-have stuff. Oh, it makes life so much easier. We're gonna go ahead and take this again. We're gonna start working our way around. It's very thin too, so. Here we go. Start prying. There we go. Ah, all right. Once you do that, there. Beautiful. Here we are, guys. It's off.